Hello, good day, and welcome to Fun Maths. Today I'm looking at this Olympiad Mathematics question. It says 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial equals to m factorial. So what is the value of m? Not m factorial, what is the value of m? Now, factorials, have you heard of factorials before? If you have 3 factorial, for instance, it's the same thing as 3 times 2 times 1. So you are multiplying the number down till you get to 1. If you have 6 factorial, it's the same thing as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right, so generally, n factorial for any number n is the same thing as n times, subtract 1 from it, n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3, and then you keep multiplying till you get to the last number. So that is what factorial means. Therefore, from our question we have 10 factorial and then we have 6 factorial. 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial is the same thing as 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 6 factorial, which is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and then times 1. Now, we can divide the number at the top and at the bottom. You discover that we have 6 factorial from this part down, and we also have it in the denominator. All right, so you can just cancel out everything you have here and cancel it out at the numerator. So we are left with 10 times 9 times 8 and then times 7. We're looking for the value of m. They said it's equals to m factorial. So let's try to rearrange these numbers so that we can make it a factorial. What that means is I'm going to be dividing each of these numbers. We have 10, we have 9, we have 8. I can't break 7 for that, but I can break 8 into 2 numbers. I can break 9 into 2 numbers. And I can break 10 into 2 numbers. What 10 is 5 times 2. 9 is 3 times 3. 8 is 4 times 2. And then we have times 7. And then we can just say times 1 at any point, times 1, which doesn't change anything. If you look at the board now, if you look at it, you discover that maybe I can rearrange every number here. The highest number is 7, so let's bring 7. We have 7 times. For us to get the factorial, we have to get the next number, which is 6, and then the next one, which is 5. To get 6, we have 2 times 3 here. I've used 7, so I'm going to cancel out 7. We have 2 times 3 here, which is 6. So I'm going to put 7 times 6 now. We've used this and this also. The next number should be 5, which we already have here. So 7 times 6 times 5 times, well, we already have 4 here, times 4 times, I'm going to cancel out 5 and also cancel out 4. The next number should be 3, which is here. So I'm going to write 3, I've cancelled that out, times 2 is here, and then times 1, which doesn't change anything. So times 1. We said that factorial, when you're looking for factorial, you keep multiplying the number down till you get to 1. In this case, we have 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is 7 factorial. So this is equal to 7 factorial. Remember, the question says that m factorial is equals to 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial. And we said that 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial is 7 factorial. So it means that m factorial is equal to 7 factorial. So what is the value of m? The value of m is 7. Okay, don't make the mistake of saying m is 7 factorial. No, m is equal to 7. This is the final solution. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up by liking this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Till we meet again, bye bye.